welcome to my channel Teaching Extreme. So in this video we will talk about Strava. So Strava boasts more than 100 million users and in May 2022 said that over 90 million photos had been shared through the platform. So what is Strava and why should you be involved with it? More importantly, is it worth you paying for the subscription that really unlocks the fun? What is Strava? Strava is the Swedish verb to strive, and the company classes Strava as a community for athletes. While the number are rather small in terms of major social networks, which can boast hundreds of millions of users, Strava holds up well against other fitness platforms. Strava is entirely focused toward athletes. Much of what Strava offers is about the analysis of your performance and, importantly, keeping track of your training. The social aspect of Strava really hang of your activities. But in short, it is a tool for those who exercise usefully. It is a universal platform that all athletes can use regardless of which device or platform they use to capture their sports data with originally. Who uses Strava? There are some activities that Strava really favors, and that cycling and running, while you can record other activities from hiking to yoga. Strava is at best when analyzing performance and providing interesting comparison of our routes, which rely appeals to cyclists and runners. With lot of user pouring in lot of data, Strava is great for viewing routes, comparing segments, but essentially keeping track of your own performance and training goals. Strava main features. So here are some main features of this application. The main element of Strava breakdown as follows regarding your activity, your feed, your training and performance, routes and segments, and finally challenges. Strava also has a heat map of your training which found fame when it hit hitless and caused greater focus on privacy across the platform. While some features are more prominent on the website than they are the app. Activity feed. The activity feed is basically the home screen of Strava where you will see posts detailing the activities of the people you follow as well as your own. Rather than scrolling through the collection of manual posts or shared memes, most of these are often sensed from user training devices, be it Apple Watch, Garmin, Fitbit, or other. Manual posts can be created, but these are not common. You can also post photos, but again, photos are associated with activities. Activities can be recorded in Strava itself as well as manually added, and for those with no tracking device, recording in the Strava app is often useless route. You can comment on any activity, give kudos, and share posts. And one of the great thing is that Strava offers the ability to share groups, event, or include other users on your activity if they did not have anything to track it with themselves, or if you just happen to be exercising with someone else. You can tap through into an activity to get more detail about it. Beyond speed or distance, you can look at power output, heart rate, speed, or many other metrics the original athlete shared, as well as examining the route. You can save routes other users have shared so you can use that route yourself if you are a subscriber. The Strava smartphone app also has a friend finder on the feed page. It's a social network after all, and making the connection is a part of what you are supposed to do.